What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. So today we're doing something different. Today we're talking about stereo. As you all know how great looking the WRX is, handles, and performs. One thing that lacks is the stereo. The stock head unit sucks. The sound quality does not match what the car does. So today we're going to change that by installing the factory Kicker upgrades. So today we're gonna install 4 of these on the 4 doors and 2 tweeters speakers on the dash. So let's hope and see how these does. Let's go. So first we are gonna take this cover off to access to the tweeter. So I'm gonna use like a plastic tool that's really thin, and first pry up this area first, right there. See a little gap. Now you want to come in with like a screwdriver and then come in and then slowly work your way in. Pop that off. And there it is. That's the tweeter. Okay, we're gonna use like a small Phillips screwdriver because there's not much room between the screw here and the windshield here. As you can see, it's right hitting up against the glass. So anything small will work. So twist. There it is. Now unplug this. There's this thing right here, so you just press and release that plug. And there it is. So this is the tweeter, part number H631SFJ101. OEM plug. Oh, it came with the screws too. So the comparison between the two. This is the OEM. And this is the Kicker. Okay, so first I'm gonna do is change the 2 tweeter and play the sound and see if it makes any difference. Okay, let's go. So let's plug this back in. Fits perfectly like an OEM part should. So make sure the Kicker logo is facing towards you. Screwed in, put this back, should just snap right back in. Yep, like that. Perfect. Now let's do the other side. Same thing on this side. Pry this part with plastic tool. Pry it up like that. Then use a screwdriver. That screwdriver, don't scratch it like I did right there. Pry, and pop it up. I think I scratch a little bit up here, right there. Careful. No. Get out and unplug it. Unplug it. There it is. We got the kicker, so make sure the logo is facing you. Now let's test out. So wow, what a difference that the tweeter makes, right? I'm happy right now. I'm happy as it right now without changing the 4 speakers, but if you wanted to just like upgrade the stereo at all, I recommend getting the tweeter. They make a huge difference. Now let's see what difference does it make if we change all 4 doors to the WRX Kicker upgrade. Let's go. So to get to the speakers on the doors, you have to take off the door cover. So you need a fat screwdriver and pry out these tabs right here. You can see right there, there's one screw right here. So there's another one. So use a Phillips head screwdriver and take it out. So once you have the 2 screws out, you can go from the bottom of the door here and just slightly pull on it. It should come up. Pop, 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 pop. Not a pop. It just should lift right up. So you want to take off the door handle right here. So then it has 2. Let's see it. There's 2 Phillips screw here. Unscrew those. And that will make the installation much easier. So you don't have to take this off, but you might risk damaging the cables here. So it's better if you just take this off like this. Once you have your covers off, your door covers off, you can take off the stock. That's the stock speakers. You can finally take them off, and on Unplug the plug from the top first. So unplug it. There should be 3 bolts, 3 screws, 1 on top, 2 on the bottom. So, now you can see, comes right off. That's your stock speaker. No wonder it's not that good. It's really light. It's really cheap, I guess. Compared the stock speakers, really light, versus the Kicker upgrade, which is really heavy. So if you want to have weight reduction, let's go with the stock speakers. They're really light. But so you want quality sounds, go with the Kicker. They're really heavy. So it's quality sounds. Versus the cheap one, really light. It's really heavy. One thing I forgot to mention is there's a back and a front. So they might look the same, but there's 2 in the front, so they're different. The one with the red wire sticking out, that's for the front. You look at the back, see the patterns. These ones are different than these patterns for the holes on the screws. So and this is like recessed inside. So use the ones, these are for the front. So I'm gonna use this one. So make sure to use that one for the front. Alright, let's go. Okay, first, make sure the up sign for the speakers, it's telling you to put it on the up side. So the last step is to plug this plug back in. Okay. And how this thing is flopping around and making that noise. It comes with a foam tape. So what you need to do is wrap this around this. Okay. So once you have that, once you have it all wrapped up, now it shouldn't make any noise. You hit that bolt right there. Or you can just use some tape and tape this in here. Alright, now we're done, and we're gonna do all 4 sides and we'll test it out. Wow, right? The two tweeter are pretty good, but after replacing all 4 speakers, whew, I'm happy with it. It's pretty cool, huh? How 4 speakers and 2 tweeter can change the whole sound of the car. I mean, the whole system, the sound system of the car, right? So highly recommended getting all 4 changed. But if you don't have that kind of money, just change the 2 tweeter in the front and you'll be good to go. So overall, I'm happy with the upgrade. So maybe the next step is to upgrade the head unit. But for right now, I'm happy with it for what it sounds. So make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell for a notification for new videos coming out, because we have more mods coming in. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.